everyone, so today I'm really excited because I finally got this in the mail. I ordered this off Amazon. I've been wanting it for quite some time. First time I saw it was at Nordstrom Rack. They had it on sale for I think like $9.95 or something. So I was able to order it on Amazon. It was under $20. I don't remember. I'll try to put the link down below if I can find it. But what is so cool about this is that it is a Balms of your hand and it's a volume collection. So basically it has all of the greatest highlighters, eyeshadow, lips products in here. I wanted to get my hands on it just so I can try some of the Balm products. Let me see if I can get it out. I haven't tried so many of their products, so I kind of wanted to give them a try and see how they work. So this is what it looks like. It has two little openings, one here for the lip products and one here for the eyeshadows and lip products. So let me go ahead and open it so you can see what it looks like. It does have a mirror there, as you can see, and it just says in the palm of your hand. Now these are the products that come in here. It's Hot Mama, Instinct, Cabana Boy, and Bahama Mama. Now these are some of the eyeshadows. It does come with their famous Mary Luminizers, which I didn't own. This one, first one in here, I think is called Insane Jane, and that's from the Shady Lady palette. Then it's Mischievous Marissa, and that's also from the Shady Lady palette. Now you have Nudie Tootie, and that's from the palette, I'm not sure if I guess it's, oh, the Nude Tootie. And then you have Balm and Balm Jovi, and this is Led Zeppelin. So let's go ahead and get into the swatches. So let's start with Hot Mama. This color is so pretty. I can already see it here. I think this is going to be a really nice color for right now for the summer. Here is what it looks like. It's a beautiful blush, but it also looks like it has a highlight to it. Hope I'm pronouncing that right. That one's a little pinky. I don't know if I would actually use that as a blush. I'll probably put it really lightly. If not, I can also use it as an eyeshadow. Then this is a shadow blush, and this is Cabana Boy. Wow, this swatch is really pretty. Here's what that one looks like. Okay, then you're gonna have Bahama Mama. I think that's more, you can either use it as a blush or a contour, I'm sure. But that is what it looks like. And I'm kind of really tan right now, so I don't know if you can see that there, but I think you can. And that's what that one looks like. Now let's get to the swatches of the eyeshadow and the luminizer. Alright, so let's go ahead and start with Insane Jane, and that's from the Shady palette. That is what it looks like there. That would look very great when if you have like a smoky eye and then put this in the center of your eye. I think this would really stand out. That's what it looks like. It does have a little fallout, but I might have pressed too hard on the eyeshadow. And then this is Mischievous Marissa, and this is what that looks like. This one I think is going to be one of my favorite eyeshadow colors that they have on there. These are just some of my favorites, so I can see myself creating a really nice look with this for the summertime using that color. These are colors that I love as well, and this is by the Nudie Tootie, and it's Sexy. That is a gorgeous color, especially during the winter times, but I mean I can still see myself using it if I use it very lightly for the summertime. But that is a gorgeous color. I'm loving this palette so much. So then this one is by Balm Jovi, and this is the Led Zeppelin. And this one in person, it's kind of hard to tell, but it reflects of green and gold on it. It's beautiful. It does not do it justice, I don't think, this swatch. But if you see this in person, it has more of like a green gold tone to it, and then it looks green also the way it's reflecting off. It's going to be reflecting off your eye. Okay guys, the last item on this section here will be the Mary Luminizer. I've never tried this. This is the reason I kind of wanted this. I got this palette for the fact that it just had a lot of their favorites and I wanted to try them, but this is one of the main reasons I wanted it. And so here is a swatch, which I'm sure you've seen in the past. That is amazing. I can see why so many people like that. That looks like it's gonna be a gorgeous highlight. I can't wait to use this. I also put it like in the inner corner of my eyes. It's really gonna be popping, I can tell. And this little flap here, so I'm going to go ahead and lift it up, and it just shows you the palettes of what these would actually look like on them. So I really like that. These two products here are lip products. Oh, and this can also be used on the cheeks. It says cheek and lip cream. And then this one here, I'm not sure exactly what it's called, but let's try them. I think that's going to be really nice for a lip product. I don't know if I would actually put that on my cheeks because it does feel wet and I don't know if it's going to dry down. I think it's more like a lip product. So I really like that product. I think it's nice. Now this one, guys, I'm not much of a red person. I don't use red too often, so I don't think I'm gonna like this, but I think this would be nice if you put it lightly. But I just don't see myself using that color. Now that color I can see myself using there, the lighter color than the darker. All right, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you like the swatches. If you have any questions, comments, just go ahead and leave them down below. Also, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and like always, see you next time. Bye. Don't forget to check out my latest videos, and also don't forget to subscribe.